Hey guys, today as you could see now, I decided to make a useless box, and then I designed it with Adobe Illustrator, and then I printed out with the laser cutter, and then I have a on-off switch, and then I have a servo motor inside and Arduino programmed. As you can see, the box here, very nice, and then the battery and Arduino, all the rest sitting inside. Let's see my design and the program. So here is the design on Adobe Illustrator. This is the bottom part and then this piece that goes inside and holds the servo motor, and the rest is we have this one on the top with the LED lights, and then the top part with the written it's on the top useless box. So actually for the laser cutter that you have to make red lines in order to tell to the laser cutter to cut, and when it's black it will be just taking on the surface. So let's see the programming part also. So here is the programming part. It's just a very simple way of programming it. It's just a button on Arduino 7, and then LED and red lights 9 and 8, and then servo motor on number 10. And then every time we actually push the switch on the top, the LED light will become red, and then will give a signal of 180 degrees of the servo motor, and then go back to 0 again. So unfortunately I cannot upload the code, is because YouTube doesn't allow me on the comment area, but you guys can copy this code directly from the screen. So yeah, this is my useless box project, and if you guys need some assistance with the design, for example, and I can send you the file if you need it, by simply send me a message and with your email address, and then I can forward to you there. So this is it. Thank you for watching, and I hope you guys like it. Bye.